Imagine a volcano, sleeping for centuries, suddenly roaring back to life. But this isn't just any eruption. The ash it spews isn't just rock and dust. It carries something ancient, something hungry. As this supernatural ash falls, it doesn't just bury the dead, it reanimates them. Picture this: bodies rising from their graves, encased in shells of cooling molten rock, their eyes glowing with an eerie volcanic light. These aren't your typical zombies. They're shambling fortresses of stone and fire, impervious to normal weapons. How would you survive against a horde of ash zombies? Their touch scorches, their presence chokes the very air with sulfur. It's a terrifying new kind of apocalypse, born from the heart of the earth. Want more tales that will keep you up at night? Subscribe to Fright Bites for your weekly dose of horror.